BMW M4 CS is a high-performance, lightweight version of the BMW M4 Coupe, positioned between the M4 competition and the more track-focused M4 CSL. Let me tell you, like in Goldilocks and the Three Bears, this is just right. It boasts a powerful engine, extensive use of carbon fibre reinforced plastic for weight reduction, and unique chassis tuning to enhance both on-road and truck performance. My name's Abby, I'm the brand director here at Approved Automotive, and this is the most hardcore BMW M4 that you can drive on the road every day. This is the M4 CS. Now, the BMW M4 CS that we have here today is actually for sale currently at Approved Showroom here in Dubai. Now, if by the time you're watching this video and you're interested in the car and it's sold, please do come to us anyway, because we can still source the car for you. And if you have a look around, we have several BMWs as well as many other premium luxury brands. Now back to this car. This particular example is finished in the incredible BMW Frozen Isle of Man Green, which is an individual colour which I think absolutely screams aggression yet elegance at the same time. Now onto the wheels. It's riding on these matte bronze M Y-spoke 963M wheels, giving the ultimate blend of aggression again and elegance again. You can also get the M4 CS in Riviera Blue, Brooklyn Grey and Sapphire Black. For the wheels, you can also get a matte black finish, and for calipers, if they're steel, you can get red or black, and if they're carbon ceramics like these ones, you can get the red or the gold. So for the lights, they are finished in this wonderful amber, and then you've got the grille, which is frameless, has this wonderful red dreamline there as well, because you have to differentiate yourself from the competitions, don't you? And the carbon, let's talk about the carbon. I mean, first of all, you have it exposed here on the bonnet, which is amazing, especially where you have the frozen contrast with the gloss carbon. You've also got it on the front lip there, intakes. Where else? Pretty much everywhere, wing mirrors, of course the roof. Round to the back, you have this little wing here and the diffuser as well, but more on that later. Let's climb onto the inside, where the carbon theme continues. So you've got anthracite full merino leather M carbon bucket seats. They're not quite as hardcore as you would get on the CSL, but they do still save some weight, more on that later. Then you've got this new amazing carbon fibre Alcantara wrapped red race marker M-stitched steering wheel as well. Of course, you've got things like track timers and also drift mode as well. You've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, everything on the screen here as well. And one of my particular favourites, if you scroll along, is you have my BMW, which it's no coincidence, your BMW is like your BMW. Now, this thing is of course a lot more expensive than an M4 competition. So with more money, you want to see more power. Now, on paper, it starts the same, 3-litre inline twin-turbo engine, but it has a new lightweight crankshaft, forged pistons, and boost increased to 30.5 psi. That brings you 543 horsepower, which is 20 more, and 479 pounds-feet, which is the same as you get in the competition. The M4 CS is track-tuned yet road-ready, with 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in just 3.4 seconds. And a top speed of 302 kilometers an hour. This is not just a muscle car, this is track ready too, so it's all about the weight also. This M4 CS saves £77, that's 35 kilograms approximately, from the competition in terms of weight. So more power and less weight with things like the carbon fibre hood. By the way, look at that M logo on the underside of the hood, carbon fibre roof, aggressive splitter and intakes in the front, carbon wing and carbon diffuser at the rear, which has a revised exhaust system, by the way, which removes another 8 pounds or 4 kilograms or so weight. But the inside of the car, you'll notice that there is carbon fibre absolutely everywhere, but it isn't just to look pretty. You'll even see that maybe I want a bottle of drink, and where on earth am I going to keep it in this car? Well, that is because it's just too soft. You need the rigidity of the carbon fibre, and it's all about the end result on this car, trust me. So You added power to the car, you took away the weight. Professor, you've created a monster. Overall, on to the rigidity again, because we're going to look under the hood. And look what you can see. It's all about rigidity, weight loss and strength right here. There's so much going on with this car with its rigidity and other tweaks to work alongside that too. You'd be happy to know that this includes a dedicated cooler for your rear differential, which prevents overheating, especially if you're on the track. Now the M4 CS just absolutely screams, take me on the track, but also take me on your commute as well, or your family holiday, because I've got rear seats, unlike the CSL. Tell me what you guys think of the car, and please remember to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!